Hi there, it's Pete with How to Prep. Today I'm going to be showing you how I heat my house for free. Here's what you need. This is paper. You can either use newspaper or, in my case, we use 8.5 by 11 in our business, and it needs to be shredded. So we take and shred the paper and just put it into a bucket. This is sawdust. This sawdust is from wood that I got for free. If you just go on to your local classified news website, you can go and get wood. A lot of times you can take and put it in the back of your pickup truck. I have a little trailer that I use, so you can get a lot of free wood if you just look for it. But when I take and chop the wood up, I end up with sawdust. So this bucket here, I believe is, let me check, see if it says how many gallons this bucket is. It has the weight. I'm assuming this is probably, I don't know, maybe 2.5 gallons, something like that. And then I use one of these large cups and take and pour this in here. And then what we're going to do is take and fill this up with water. Okay, the paper has been sitting inside the bucket for a few days now, and next to this we have our handy paper briquette maker. The way this works is you pull these levers back. This section pops out. And what you do is you take and you put your paper mixture into each one of these, and this makes 4 bricks at a time, which is a nice time saver. So I'll have links to this product. I just got this, and so I'm going to be doing a quick review on it. We'll see how it works. So anyway, let me set this down, and we'll take and put the paper mixture into here, and we'll press the water out of it. Okay, this is a little bit of a messy job, so bear with me. You can do this a lot of different ways, but it's pretty much just as easy to grab it with your hands and stuff it in there. It doesn't have to be any particular direction or anything like that. You just grab it, put it in there, fill it up to the top. This bucket here, we may get 4 bricks, but most likely we'll get 2 bricks. This is a small bucket, so just basically a demonstration to show you how this works. Maybe we'll get 3 or 4. We'll see how we do here. My mixture that I use is I take paper that has been shredded and cross-cut in a cross-cut shredder, and I mix that with 2 large, like 16 to 20 ounce glasses of sawdust, and mix that together. I leave that in the bucket here for 2 to 3 days so that it gets nice and soft, and then that way when you compress it down, it all sticks together and makes a really nice paper log that way. So looks like we're going to get about 3 out of this one here. Have to use a bigger bucket next time, or multiple buckets. But it's so simple, and the really great thing about this is you can basically heat your house for free. So I mean, if you have access to paper, it could be office paper, it could be newspaper, whatever it is that you have access to, all you need to do is just take and throw it in the water. You don't have to use sawdust. I do, because I like to have it last a little bit longer when you've got the fire going, so it tends to. And I have been using just a homemade press that I made which made round logs, and that's a very simple press. That's all it is some PVC with holes drilled into it, and you have something that's round that goes on the top, and you compress it, and it pushes the water out. So, okay, looks like we basically have as much as we could pretty much get in here. Let's see if I can get a little bit more in this last one. We'll see if we can make 3 logs. Okay, so move this out of the way. We take our top, we put our top here so that it lines up, and this one goes inside of here. That's all we do is press down until it goes down to the bottom, and pour off any excess. Okay, now we pull the top off, and inside of here you can see that it takes and compresses everything down, and each one of these pulls out, and there's your brick. So you can sit your brick on the side, and there's your brick. Now all I have to do is put it somewhere, let it dry, and once it's dried, you're ready to take and put that in your fireplace or your wood burning stove. So that's how simple it is. And as I said, this is the first time that I've used this device, and it seems to work very, very well. I probably would take and put more material in each one of these so I could compress the brick down a little bit further. I wanted to be able to show as many bricks as possible, but didn't quite have enough material. So probably what I'm going to do is take this brick, break it up, and put it in these 2 here, and compress it down a little bit more so we can get more water out of it. But anyway, that's how it works. The name of the company that I bought it from, Northern Industrial Tools, and I will take and put a link where I got it from in the comments down below. So please rate, comment, and share, and let me know what you thought. Thanks. Just a quick follow-up. I did take that 3rd log and I put it on top of the other 2 logs, and they seem to have compressed down a lot better. So you want to make sure that when you fill these up, you fill them right up to the top, maybe even just a little bit overflowing. Then that way you're going to get nice, very well compressed logs that should dry faster, simply because you've gotten a lot more water out of them. Here are what the paper logs look like when they come out, and all you need to do is just leave them out so that they dry. That's my old brick maker there. We take and put the material inside here. Just filled up a canister with some water to give it some rigidity, and you would just take and put it down like this. The water would come out the sides, and that's how I made bricks before, but this is a much more efficient, much easier to use way, and I believe that it will get a lot more water out of it, so they will dry quicker. So that would be a big plus. Okay, thanks.